Hey guys, me and the kids are in Bluffers Beach again, but today is Saturday, winter cold. You people here more on seagulls earlier, so there is the blue beach all over. I did this one last summer too, but this time we're all wearing jackets. Look. Okay. It's cold. It's cold. So we're going to walk around over the stones. Those are my kiddos. The eldest, the youngest together, the third one, and the fifth one. Oh, diba? See, these are the seagulls. Satisfying sound of the beach. No people here this time. Saan pupunta? Oh, guys are going now. They start to climb up. Watch out your steps. Watch out your steps, guys. Anak, be careful. They're hiking. Can you do it? Come with mama. Go step there. Tina, there. Sandali, don't drag me though. Okay, go. Go. Here. Okay. Stand still. I'm going there with you. Okay, there. Go here. Go. Stone hiking tayo today. Go.
Go over here. Go over here.
Here, go. Kuya will take you. Be careful, okay? Don't drop yourself.
You step here. Step small. Okay, one more.
Good girl. Yan guys, oh. I finally got up here on the rocky stones. Here you go. Come on guys, come on. Dito ka anak, pababa oh. My God. Come here.
No, don't touch me!
Guys, you're in the stones. Behave. Come ate. Hold me. Tina, it's not a joke. Come. Step here. Step. There you go. Kaloka. Yung mga people hindi umakyat, kami lang mag-iina. Okay. Kate, here. See? Then we're going down over there and then walks on the trail. Yay! It's a nice one because we came from Seafood City. We eat a lot of food. Oh yeah! The one. What? Okay lang, go ahead. Gumib up yung panganay ko, sobrang bigat. Yes? Hindi siya nag-stone. Hiking sa Taglamig. Hiking sa Taglamig. We're at the other side now. We never explored this one last summer because there's so much of people. And then the youngest Christine is swimming. That's my poor buddies. I'm missing Darwin, the youngest boy, youngest man of mine, and my second eldest. area. Surrounded ako ng mga batang ganyan. Here are the maple leaves on the ground. Dot dot. And we go to Marina side. Can you imagine these kids are just on a stroller before? Now look at them. They're bigger than their mother. Huh? Yeah. Bluffers beach on. Cold time. Yeah. So my son is leaving her in a Scarborough. So he took us today in the morning. We go to PNB. We go to Seafood City. Have lunch. So now we're walking around. I feel bad. My eldest son cannot climb up with the stones. Too heavy. Huh? See the sun? Oh, Tin, there's a small stones down there. Look, the rocky part of the beach.
Surfing.
Wait, there's a lot of people who are surfing here. Oh, okay. This is the surfing side of Bluffers Park. Look, look, look. Look over there. They're surfing.
Mom, I got you.
No, I'm okay. You guys cannot. I can move better than you guys. Oh, nice. Is there any shell over here? Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful it is. Nagsusurfing, aahon na sila. Aahon na sila at malamig. Okay. Umahon na yung isang kuya. Kim. Nilamig na. Nilamig na isang kuya. Puti naman pala. Ha? Let's go guys, walk. Umaahon na yung iba, lamig. Siguro isang tropa yan, ano? Asa yung car? Ha? Lighthouse? Punta kami sa may lighthouse. Driver. Ito na sa likod. You see, di ba bawal pala mag-swimming dito pag summer. Picnic siguro. Ihaw-ihaw. Ganun. Lighthouse is approaching. Over there. Ito yung ano. This is where the boats coming out. Now they're on port here. Si Mr. Sun. Ay, beautiful. So, ito na yung end. Ito na yung katapusan. Okay. This is the lighthouse of Bluffers Park. Beach Park. Diba? Super lamig. Aking kamay ay na. Review po more. Oh, yan yung marina side, right? This is the lighthouse of Scarborough Park. Somebody can get in there? The guard? No. Uy, mahulog ka? Mahulog ka na! Mahulog ka na! Laka! Mahulog ka! Patangay ka na hangin. Malakas ano mamakat mo yan. This is the end of Bluffers Park. Diyan nilang light towers. Saan yung tatlo? Mahulog ka na? Watch out! Ayan yung tatlo. Watch out. Just sit, ate.
What you want?
Si kuya mo nagsisisigaw.
Okay. That's a good view. No, this is a good view. Look at that. Imagine sitting on that rock.
Not much anak, mahulog ka.
No.
Hindi nga kita kinuha na no. Okay. We have fun today. No, Kate, mapush ka ng ano dyan. Be careful. No, not standing there. Mahulog kayo.
Can I take a photo? Look over there.
Okay.